In this video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight objects using the Snapshot tool in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and click on this Get Started in order to sign up for an account. Alternatively, you can also click on this Try It Free option to get 14 days of free trial. You also have the option to buy it directly by clicking on this Buy Now option that will appear. Now from in there, click on Login and click on this Bluebeam option in order to log in and get access. So here is what the app looks like on my end. So to highlight specific objects using the Snapshot tool, you first need to head over and take a snapshot. So let's head over and do just that. So I have in here this particular part, and let's head over and then do a snapshot of this. To do this, click on the Edit option, and then from in there, what you can do, you can click on this snapshot. And then here is our snapshot right here. Let's just choose right here this part to get a snapshot with. And here it's been selected. Now in there, you just need to actually click on exit to exit the snapshot mode. Now let's add right here a new page wherein we want it to actually input it. Let's insert right here a blank page after this one. So we also have the option to add new pages after this right there. On the blank page that will appear, just click on Edit and click on Paste. And this should be able to paste the snapshot that we have earlier. You can just move it around however you want and then reposition it as well. On the pasted snapshot, you can open the Properties panel by right-clicking and clicking on Properties. And then from in there, under the Appearance section, you should be able to find the fill color. So under this, just choose in here the bright yellow option. And here it will be highlighted. You can change the blend mode from normal to screen or multiply. In that way, it will be head over and remove or change under this case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.